hey, if we can help you add 5 to 7 new patients in 1 hour, would you be open to hearing about it?
Cool. I'm here with Rebecca. Hey, Rebecca.
Hi.
So you've been in the agency space 10 years and you have over how many clients?
Oh, Lord, lots of them, hundreds, over 300 or so.
Wow.
Yeah.
What are you finding right now that's working to get new clients?
So one of our best strategies right now is a simple offer sentence that just opens up conversations. And that's what we're looking for, right? Especially new people coming into the agency space is what is the easiest thing to open up a conversation? And we'll just tell a business owner, depending on if it's a medical space like a patient or a martial arts school, like I own a jiu-jitsu school, it's hey, if we can help you add 5 to 7 new patients in 1 hour spending less than X dollars on Meta, would you be open to hearing about it? And they're like, how are you doing that? That's immediately what the response is, because most agencies are I want a retainer, I want you to give me as much money as I want for ads, and maybe we'll get you some results. And we're saying upfront, we're going to get you customers, we're going to have a lower budget, and we can do it in 1 hour. So we're dealing with time, we're dealing with energy, and we're dealing with money.
Wow, yeah. In 1 hour.
In one
That's
hour.
That's the magic of that sentence.
Exactly.
So what are you actually doing for them?
So what we're doing is our Main Street Profit Machine, where we build out a workshop for that specific vertical, business owner, whatever it is, and we license this into that vertical. So we go really deep. We don't build ads over and over and over again. We copy and paste the model. We build out all of the assets for them to run the workshop and actually get customers at the workshop.
So what's an example of a niche that you're running this in, and what are the typical results?
Yeah, so one of the niches that we have is an ophthalmology clinic, and they have a machine that has a specific offer or service for people, with different symptoms. So we'll fill a room with 20 people that have those specific symptoms, and we do all of that through the marketing. And then we give them all of the assets. They run a video, they have assessment forms, they have a little slides, they bring a charcuterie board and some water bottles. It's that simple, and it converts 50% of the room to clients.
And what are you telling your students to price this type of agency service at?
So it depends on the customer value for the client, but if we have a $2,000 ticket price, we can charge $2,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
And name off some other niches where this is working or you're seeing people have success.
I love kid spaces. So parents love to spend money on their kids. So martial arts schools, dance schools, gymnastics schools, tutoring centers, dance studios, all of that works there. I love medical spaces because they're higher ticket. So any type of service that solves a problem for people, a medical issue that they might have, those work great too. Home services. People think that home services can't work for this. Absolutely wrong. Outdoor lighting, solar, any of those types of things.
Wow. And do you offer some sort of gift card or other goodie to get them there?
We can. Sometimes we can raffle something to get them through the door, but it's not always necessary.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then lastly, so you get the opening conversation going with, hey, we can get you X amount of your ideal people in this amount in 1 hour.
Yeah.
What does the sales process look like after that? Are they pretty keen to sign up, or do you have to do a lot of calls?
So I'm going to tell you what I would do if I was brand new starting this model with no clients.
Yeah.
I would offer them a test. They cover ad spend. We test it. We show them how it works. Next time they know what's happening.
Wow. And you would collect a percentage of what they get, or you just say, hey, we'll run it for free?
First one, we'll run it for free.
Okay.
They cover ad spend, so there's no loss really out the gate for you. Second one, they know what the price is going to be.
Very cool.
And get their credit card up front.
Okay.
Yeah.
So month 1 is free, and then the minute month 2 starts,
If I
you
was
charge the
starting from
card.
scratch, that's how I do it.
Very cool.
Yeah.
All right, thanks so much.
Of course.